Alright, so hi guys and welcome back again to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, then you darling are most definitely welcome. Now, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can smell fresh for the whole day. Listen, I'm not talking about smelling fresh for 5 hours. No, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about smelling fresh and sexy from the beginning to the end of the day. Now, if that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, then you definitely want to keep on watching. If it's your first time stopping by, hi, my name is Inka. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan, Nigeria. I would love to have you over here, so please do well to hit that subscribe button if you gain anything from this video, and give the video a massive thumbs up or down so I can know the type of videos that you guys want to see. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, the first thing I'm going to be talking about as regards smelling fresh and sexy all day long is to drink a lot of water. You guys, drink a lot of water. I'm telling you, water has a way of just clarifying you and bringing out all the impurities that you have through your sweat and your urine, and that literally just helps you to stay hydrated and smell better. So the first step is definitely to drink a lot of water so that you can clean yourself from the inside out. All right, so drink a lot of water. That's the first step I'm going to be telling you. The second thing I'm going to be saying is to take probiotics, and they're like good microbes, good microorganisms. Yeah, essentially they are good microorganisms that your body needs to function. So those good microorganisms help to fight the bad microorganisms that may be responsible for any type of odor that you may be experiencing. So again, starting from the inside outwards, you definitely want to take probiotics, and you don't actually have to go out and buy a pill. You really don't. You can just take cranberry juice that is loaded and packed with probiotics. So cranberry juice is definitely a good way to start on probiotics, or you can just buy some probiotics if you want. Now that that is said, from the inside we're going to move on to the outwards, and from the outwards I want to start with your laundry. The first thing that I would do is to use a beautifully scented wash soap or detergent, and the one that I personally use is by Sunlight, and it's the Oud variant. I like to use that one or another one by a Nigerian brand called Good Mama. I don't have the Sunlight one right here with me, but I definitely have this Good Mama one, and it is the Ankara color powder detergent. I really like this one because it smells beautifully and it makes my laundry smell very clean and very fresh, because the most important thing that you want to do when you're trying to smell fresh is to layer your scents, layer your smells, which is why we're starting with our laundry, because remember, we're trying to layer our smells. So your laundry, try to make sure that the wash detergent that you're using smells good. If you're going to be using a fabric softener, try to make sure that your fabric softener smells good too. That way your laundry smells beautifully. Now, the best thing that you can do for yourself is to air dry your laundry in the sun. I'm telling you, if you dry your laundry in the sun, it's significantly better than drying it in any place that doesn't get direct sunlight, because the smell of the detergent on your laundry tends to last longer if you dry it outside as opposed to drying it inside, and your clothes have a very fresh and clean smell. If you dry your clothes inside, they tend to have a little bit of a musty type of smell as opposed to drying it outside where it can receive all the sunlight that it needs. Now that that is out of the way, we're going to move on to once you get out of the shower. I would definitely recommend that once you get out of the shower, while your body is still damp, you put on some body spray. The reason is because you're trying to, like, again, remember, layer on your scents, and any body spray is good, to be honest, but the one that I personally use is this one by Body Fantasy, and it's called Plumeria Fantasy. I really like this one. It smells beautiful. I have an in-depth perfume collection on this channel so that you guys know all the scents I use as of now, but this is definitely the body spray that I like to use. It smells like grapes and it just makes you smell very fresh. Now, once that is done, I like to lock in that body spray by putting on a lotion or moisturizer, and it's important when you're trying to smell fresh to always moisturize your skin, because the moisture on your skin lets the perfume that you're going to be spraying subsequently to evaporate a little slower, and that just helps you smell fresh and clean for longer. So the lotion that I use is this one by Olay, and it is the age defying body lotion. It smells gorgeous and I love how it smells. What I do now is to add a perfume oil, and this one is the perfume oil of La Vie est Belle by Lancome, and I just got this perfume oil actually, and I just sprayed some into my lotion and add it to that, and I rub it on my skin so that my lotion already smells beautiful, and I'm topping it up with a perfume oil that smells even gorgeous. This is what I do every time that I want to smell beautiful for the whole day. Maybe I'm going to somewhere really important and I want my aura to just speak like volumes. This is what I do, and I don't miss any steps, so you guys should definitely pay attention. What I do with my laundry again is to put some of this perfume oil into my steam iron, and I mix that with the water so that when I'm spritzing my clothes to iron, it automatically transfers some of my perfume oil to that fabric, so it's like pressed into the fabric, so the perfume oil already sits and is like embedded inside your fabric because of how it was like put. And I'm telling you, it makes all the difference. If you're looking for like ways to make yourself smell fresher for longer, this is definitely a step that you don't want to miss. Back to what I was saying about moisturizing. So you can definitely get any lotion that smells beautiful, but this is the one I use. But again, if you don't like Olay, you can choose any lotion that you want. Now that lotion is done and we have moisturized our skin, remember we're layering on our scents. When you're spraying your perfumes, you definitely want to spray it at the pulse points, which are your wrists, your elbows, the back of your ears, right here, behind your knees, and the back of your head. Those are the areas where I spray my perfume, and I found that it definitely helps the perfume to project, because those areas are warm and they, I don't know, the pulse points just help with the projection of the perfume. So with every pulsation of your blood, it just like oozes some of that deliciousness into the atmosphere. You just smell delicious for a longer period, as opposed to just spraying it in the air or spraying it randomly. That way it doesn't last that long, to be honest. What I normally do for my hair is that I take some of that perfume and spray it into my hair. The reason is because the hair holds on so much to any perfume that you spray onto it. So if you're hugging someone that day, they already smell your lusciousness from the hair. I'm telling you, your hair can hold on to perfume for up to 2 or 3 days, definitely longer than your skin holds on to perfume. So you can buy a hair perfume if you want, but I don't have that. So I just use regular perfume and I spray it into my hair, and I'm telling you, it makes all the difference as per how you smell. Very important though is that you want to wash your hair before you are doing all of that. Make sure that your hair is clean. So because I'm African, for example, I don't wash my hair every day. I wash my hair maybe twice a month or thereabout, twice a month thereabout. So I just make sure that my hair doesn't smell funky, because funky hair smell and perfume, or funky smell in general and perfume, it just doesn't go. It just doesn't go. It's counterproductive. So if you're going to be using perfume on your hair, you want to make sure that your hair smells good. Now for hair care products, I use this brand, a Nigerian brand called Mega Growth. It smells so beautiful, and why I particularly like this brand is because it has an anti-dandruff properties, an anti-dandruff shampoo, and I just use everything from there really. My leave-in conditioner is also by Mega Growth. My deep conditioner is also by Mega Growth. Oh my god, it smells so beautiful. It smells like bubble gum. That's what it smells like sugar, like a very sweet smell. That's what this definitely has. Same thing with this, and you can imagine that sweet smell, and then you spray your perfume on your hair, and then the perfume just retains to that. It definitely smells beautiful. So I'm telling you, these are the things that you really want to take into consideration if you want to smell good for extended periods. Also, very, very important, please use deodorant, and I use antiperspirant deodorant that it can stop all that sweatiness from pushing through. The one I use is this antiperspirant. It's called Rexona. I use either this Rexona or I use Shaw. Any of the two. Definitely want to use deodorant, and spray it very generously, guys. Please spray it very, very generously. generously. I don't want to go into details about the other parts of how to prevent body odor. I'm just talking about how to smell good. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to prevent body odor, how to prevent armpit odor, how to prevent odor down there, how to prevent mouth odor, please let me know. I'll go into details about that, but for now this video is just focusing on how to smell good. All right, so I think I have touched base on everything. That is basically my routine for any time that I'm trying to smell like super yummy, super sexy, super edible. That is definitely what I do, and I can promise you that if you follow these steps exactly as I've told you, child, trust me, you'll be very, very happy and you'll be very, very glad you did, because it's about to change the game for you. I'm telling you, even 5 hours later, people will still be telling you that you're smelling yummy. Until you get home, people will still be telling you that you are smelling yummy. Bonus tip, guys, bonus tip. Always have like a little travel size perfume that you can carry around, or you can decant some of your perfume into a vaporizer that you can carry around, so that you can touch up and smell beautiful throughout the day. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed the video. Remember the motto for this channel, guys: when I slay, we all slay, baby girl. And that's why I want all of us to level up in terms of our looks, appearances, and all. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Again, please subscribe if you gained any value from this video, and leave a massive thumbs up or down so I can know the type of videos that you guys like to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.